And Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information Channel. My name is Abdul Rahim and you are watching Infotech Technology Channel. So, in today's video, we are explaining difference between the fuel stop solenoid and also the fuel priming pump. A lot of technician and electrician confused to know which one is a fuel stop solenoid, which one is a fuel priming pump. Okay. Today we are clearing this conclusion to understand completely what is the actual working of the fuel stop solenoid and what is the actual working of the fuel priming pump. So before starting the video, I have small request to all newcomers. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to get in more latest update videos. So let's get started to explain. So as you can see, the difference between fuel stop solenoid and fuel priming pump. This is the two brothers to help in a fuel system, to improving the fuel system and also to on and off the fuel system. Okay, but the functioning is a little difference. So the fuel stop solenoid, the name of this fuel stop solenoid, that's working to on off the fuel. Also, the fuel priming pump is also turning on and off the fuel. But the confusion is this to all the technician and electrician, and the fuel stop solenoids is working same with fuel priming pump. Okay, these both are running at the same time. So when we turning on the ignition key, switch to the on position, then also the fuel stop solenoid is engaged and also the fuel priming pump start to priming the fuel to the system. Okay, then when we crank, the engine is turning on and the fuel is reached to the common rail or the fuel injection system, and finally our engine goes to start. But the working of these both guys are little different. Okay, this is the one family. For example, this is the two brothers to work together in one farm. Okay, this brothers is sending the water to the farm. Okay, and this brothers is also growing and cutting the farmer vegetable like a food or grass something. This is the example of fuel stop solenoid and fuel priming pump. So the fuel stop solenoid, working of the fuel stop solenoid is only to on the fuel, to off the fuel. Okay. Also the working of the fuel priming pump to on the fuel, to off the fuel, and also to pressurize the fuel in a fuel system. Okay, take the fuel from the tank and pressurize to the system, reach to the system, to the pressure regulator, to the fuel injection pump, to the nozzle, and finally injected in a combustion chamber. Okay, these two guys, if any of each is bad, your engine is difficult to start, no start, crank, no start. Okay, this have only separate relay. The relay is coming from the fuse box. This is most likely in a car fuel tank, in a car fuel line, okay, and sometime in car top of tank. This type of fuel priming pump, okay. This is energizing with the ignition turning on, this starting a humming sound and taking fuel from the tank and send to the fuel common rail or the fuel injection system. Okay, the circuit is the normal of both, very simple. For example, this is our fuel priming pump inside our tank. Okay, one wire is grounded to the tank and one wire is out from the tank. This is the positive. Okay, here is our fuel. When we on the ignition key switch to the on position, our positive is come from the relay out of the fuel relay, and here is reach to, here is a motor and winding and also out from the motor, and then finally goes back to the ground path. Okay, and this motor is start turning over, and here is a turbine like a fin. This is very tightly sealed. Okay, and this have one out, this is the in and this is the out. This is going to the fuel common rail system. Okay, this is the fuel pump working. Understand? Now let's little explain about the fuel stop solenoid. As you can see here, fuel stop solenoid most likely coming in a diesel engine. Sometimes this is 3 wire, 2 wire. Okay, this is the linkage of. If we have a fuel injection pump, okay, this is for example your fuel injection pump. Okay, and this is the fuel injection pump throttle. This is the throttle lever of the fuel injection pump. When we this one side is already grounded to the chassis and one is coming from the fuel stop control relay, solenoid relay. When this solenoid energizes, this pull up the piston inside the chamber and also pull this rod inside the winding, and this lever is goes to right this direction. Here is a fuel stop brake. A fuel stop brake is going to the last down and stop the fuel injected fuel from the fuel pump. Okay, the working of the fuel stop solenoid is this. Sometimes is a parking generators. This have like a this tip, have a small rubber tip. When we send the positive voltage, this is also negative voltage. This is, as you can see, this is going inside and turning on the fuel, the hole, and fuel is coming and then goes to the injection pump system. When we de-energize, this is come out and stop the fuel hole, and fuel not going inside this fuel hole, and also our engine is goes to shut down. So I hope for you to watch this video to understand. See you all next time in the next video. Please must comment, like and share my video because I very struggle to understand, to help my friends. Thanks for watching my video. See you all next time and goodbye.